Hi, this is a quick video to show you how to use the generate angles function within Riverflow, which is a function that lets you generate 9 different angles from the same base image. Really fast way to create a very consistent set of images that looks like you've had a professional photo shoot. So here I am working inside of the Arcane perfume brand area again, and so we're going to pick one of the images that we've already generated and show you what the generate angles function does. So here I'm going to click on this middle image, and the generate angles is located up here in the editing panel. You click on that. And the first generation action that happens here is we're going to split that image into 9 different angles. This action is actually free. It doesn't cost you any credits to have a look at the 9 different angles because we've generated those images in a lower res format. And then there's a second step that will cost you credits, which is then to pick the ones you like and upscale them. But we'll wait now and see the results from this test. Okay, great. Those have generated now. And as you can see, we've now got 9 different angle variations of that same shot. So this is a really fast way to create very consistent set of images that look like they've come from the same shoot. So I'm going to select a few of these. I really like that one as well. So I'm going to select those 4. You can see then that that's going to cost me credits, and I will go ahead and upscale and we'll take a look at the outcomes. Amazing. So those are now upscaled, and you can see we've got now 4 beautiful images generated from that one original image. So this is an action that you can do on either images that you bring into the app yourself or ones that you generate here. It's possible to do that to both. And it's a really fast way of creating very consistent images that looks like you've done one shoot. Thanks, and we hope you found that useful.